Hey guys, welcome to Stride DIY. This is Brian. I am going to be looking at some slick deals and basically some of the best deals of the week. I'm a little bit late this week, but just bear with me. So I'm going to jump right in here. We're on Amazon. This is the Astro AI S8 Air Jump Starter with air compressor. So this is a 1500 amp car battery jump starter. It takes on six gas or 3-liter diesel engines with 150 psi. Now, the really cool thing about this is the actual tire inflator cord is built into the machine and it has a storage compartment on the back, which I did not know about, but it is awesome because you don't get that in a lot of these different air compressors. 4.7 stars. Now, coming down here to the price, it says $69. It was $99. Now, I think you can do a coupon code here too. It says redeem, save 50% with the promo code RK4LG856. And there's also a promo code. I'm going to put it on the screen, and that's going to be my personal promo code. And I wonder if that's going to be on top of the 69. If so, that's a pretty good deal, being originally it was $99. So let's check the next product here. Next up, as you can see, this is on the Craftsman. It's on Amazon still, but it's the Craftsman 262-piece mechanics tool set. It's a master socket set with 3-drawer VersaStack toolbox, SAE and metric. It says over 1,000 people have bought this month, and then coming down to the price here, it's $149. That's $100 savings. It was $249, so that's 40% off. And just keep in mind, always kind of come down here, and sometimes there's going to be codes like on the first item. It's going to say redeem coupon. The last one, it said like 50%. Sometimes it's 25, sometimes it's 30%. A lot of times that is going to be on this deal here. So it's going to be off that amount. So you get an extra coupon sometimes just by kind of checking and clicking redeem, which is really nice, especially on Amazon. Now, this is from Swan Lake Garden Tools. I have not heard of this before, but it's going to be 10 bucks off, $29 instead of 39. So that's going to be a 25% off deal here. And it includes everything here. So basically 118 pieces, you're getting the hex key set, you're getting all these different screwdrivers, you're getting the precision screwdrivers, which is really nice. And these little compartments pop on out, which is kind of nice. And you can just choose from one of these and attach it. It should come with a multi-tool. It looks like it comes with a little magnetic bin and a magnetizer as well. 4.6 stars. And it says they've sold over 800 of these during the past month. I always like these DeWalt toolkits. These are the 20-volt max cordless drill, 2-tool power tool combo kit, brushless power tool set with 2 batteries and charger, which is included. This is going to be $134. It was $229. So here you're getting 41% off. This is a limited time deal. I don't see an extra coupon on that, but 41% off is pretty good. So they're just showing you what you're getting here. You're getting the charger. Looks like 2 batteries, contractor bag as well. So that's a pretty good deal, 41% off on this Amazon deal. Now, the thing with Slick Deals is if you go on this website enough, it's going to show you here recommended just for you deals. So let's start with one of those deals here. Now, the picture is super small here, but this is the multi-bit ratcheting stubby screwdriver set. It's a 7-piece set. Now this is going to be 33% off. You're saving $5. It's a $14.97. It's now $9.97. So it's just that small stubby kind of screwdriver with a different piece set for when you're working in just a smaller area. This one is from Ryobi. It's a 1+ 18-volt lithium-ion starter kit with 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. So this is going to be $99. You're getting 51% off on this, and it was 203. So you're saving $104 here. Now, as far as what they're saying, it says you can extend your productivity with up to 3 times more runtime. They have the LED fuel gauge on these. Again, with these, you can scroll down and you can have free delivery. You can select free delivery here or ship to store. I got excited for a minute on this Kobalt 24-volt brushless ratchet wrench. It said 29 bucks and it was 129. Now it's saying this item is out of stock. So I'm assuming that when it comes back in stock, it's going to be at a higher price. But I guess you can just check different stores because this is, I'm assuming, at my local store. So check your store. It might not be out of stock at your store, but if it's not, all props to you. It is the tool only, but for 29 bucks, and it was 129, that is a pretty good deal. Now, this is a Kobalt. This is one of their best sellers. It's a Kobalt 20-piece set, standard SAE and metric ratchet wrench set. Was 99, now it's $59, so you're saving them almost 40 bucks. Now, this is good through February 5th, and you can get delivery or pickup by 9 a.m., it says, depending on the store. But pretty good deal. This is 4.5 stars from Kobalt here. And another cool thing about this website, I sometimes don't highlight this on these videos, but you can kind of scroll down. Again, this is Slick Deals. You can see the price intelligence quota here. And this kind of shows over the last 90 days what the price is. So you can see it went up, weirdly enough, on Black Friday, came down, and then went back up for a little bit and came down. And this is at the lowest price it's been, if this price is true, at $39 for this DeWalt battery. So you can kind of see if you're being juked around a little bit by looking at the price intelligence over the last 90 days, which is very helpful. Okay, so clicking through on this battery, this is the DeWalt 20-volt lithium ion battery. I'm not sure why I said it like this, a 3 amp hour battery. And it is $39. Apparently it was $139. You're saving $100 on this one. And this is in 100 plus carts in the last week. All right, so this is the vinyl grip insulated screwdriver set. It's a 10-piece set, and this is $24. You're saving 8 bucks, so this is 24% off. It was $32. Comes in this little kit, and you can kind of see the screwdrivers here. It includes 10 different components. Now, this is pretty cool and a good price. This is the men's medium N12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless black heated jacket. So this is $69. It was 129. It's You're saving 60 bucks. That's 47% off. They have different colors: black, gray, green, yellow, and red. So I've tried these types of jackets. I have not tried this brand, but basically you have the battery. They fit in like one of the front pockets or the inside front pocket. This one has 8 hours of runtime. They generally have panels on like the back and chest area where they're going to heat up pretty quick, especially if you're out hiking or camping or in the cold for a long period of time. This is really going to help. This is an Amazon deal. It says you save $75 when you buy $300 of select items. So this must be like a grouping here. I have not seen this on Amazon before. You basically pick out your items, and if you do need to shop here, once it gets to $300, it's going to take $75 off. That's a pretty good deal, especially if you need these items anyway. And when I scrolled, it actually has a counter at the top here. It says 0 items in your promotion in this cart. So I'm assuming it's tracking it. Once it gets to that 300 number, it's going to take that $75 off. That is pretty cool, and I have not seen that. That must be brand specific and something that I haven't seen from DeWalt, Milwaukee. I guess Bosch is the first one I've seen that here, so that's pretty neat. Now, this one is from Woot. It's an Amazon company, if you have not heard of it. It's a Milwaukee M18 and M12 rapid charge station for 164. It has 5-star reviews, 569 5-star ratings. That is really good. Was $287. That is 43% off. Really good. And it has 3 different ports here, so you can charge, it looks like 3 different batteries. Some on the front and some on the back. Okay, so 6 total. It can charge the M18 and the M12s. So 3 of each, I'm guessing, and it's a rapid charge station. Now, this is from Walmart. This is the Delta Shopmaster 120 volt, 15 amp, 10-inch compound sliding miter saw. I have not heard of this brand. If you have, let me know about it in the comments. Let me know what you think. So, oh, I'm sorry, it's $99. It was $219. So you're saving $120. I thought it was $120. I am corrected. So you're saving more than you're paying for it here. It says it has bevels from 0 to 45, cuts nominal 2-inch by 12-inch at full bevel, does have a laser. That's nice. Here's some other pictures of it. Now, this is on clearance, and it's one of their best sellers. I mean, it looks, decent if you're just doing some DIY stuff around the home. It says 100 people bought yesterday, and currently it's in 100 people's carts. So this is from Workos. It's a USB-C rechargeable tactical flashlight, 2000 lumens with 345 meter, I'm guessing that's meter throw, powerful torch with tail switch. 20 from $24, they were 38. Now this is from Kobalt. It's a one-speed 24-volt cutting cordless rotary tool. Now this is the tool only, but it's $29. You're saving $70. It was $99. So some really deep savings on these tools. I've been on this reviewing this website for almost a year, and these are some really deep sales. I'm really not sure why, but hey, I'll tell you about these deals for sure. $29, it was 99. You're saving 70 bucks on this. From Cobalt, this is the 24-volt 2-pack lithium-ion battery starter kit with toolbox, 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery. It's $99. It was $219, so you're saving $120. And apparently not only that, oh, I've seen this in store. So this is where you get the starter kit and then you get a free tool. So right here you can see buy one, get one free basically. You just click here, you get to choose your gift. And then you basically get this, the 24-volt 2-pack lithium-ion battery starter kit, and then the eligible items are listed down below. This one's from DeWalt. It's a 20-volt, 3-speed oscillating toolkit. It comes with the blades, battery, and charger included, so you're getting everything you need here. And it's $89. Now, the thing I like is Amazon is saying it's the lowest price in 30 days. That does sound true. It is nice how they're actually telling you that. On Slick Deals, though, you can look it up for the past 90 days, which is a little bit clearer, I think. So they're saying the typical price is 118. Not a crazy saving, but it's still decent. 25% off at 89 for this deal. All right, so this one's not as accurate here, just because I don't have my location on. It's saying it's the Shockwave Impact Duty All Steel alloy steel driver bit set with pack out. So it's a 90-piece case. They're saying $49. It depends on the store. Like for instance, my local store, it's going to be actually $38. And you would get that deal if you pressed, allow location, and you're saving $50 on this. So you're saving 51%. It was $100, and now it's 49. Although at my store, it's going to be even a deeper discount. It's going to be $38. So pretty good deal. It's got the wear guard tips on these for increased wear resistance and up to 50 times life versus other impact driver kits. So this is one of their best sellers. It's a Kobalt 16-ounce smooth face steel headed fiberglass claw hammer. On Slick Deals, it was not correct. It says it was $1.98. Here it's $6.98, but that's still $7 off the price of $13.98. So still a good savings here. You can change the head weight. It's going to change up the actual hammer. Now, this one's a little bit misleading. This is the Husky two-piece groove joint plier set. Now they're saying, okay, great. The online price is going to be $21, limit 5 per order. But here where you see in-store clearance price, you just click on that, and that's going to show you the clearance price. So it's $13 instead of 21. Now you just have to keep in mind to click on those whenever you do see those. Now this is a Home Depot website, so this is a saving of 41%. And these are the two-piece joint plier set. You can adjust these to different high leverages. They've got the non-slip grip, but just something to keep in mind that the clearance in-store prices, they're not going to be the online price. Now, the thing I like from Slick Deals is that it doesn't only go to the Home Depot site, it doesn't only go to the major sites. You can actually see from the websites because sometimes the websites themselves they have really good deals. And this is an example here. This is a 20-inch gas chainsaw from Troy-Bilt, $169. It was $229 with 4.2 stars. So you're getting a pretty decent savings on there. There's a 2-cycle engine, 20-inch low kickback bar and chain cuts. And, you've heard of the Troy-Bilt brand. It's not some knockoff brand. So that's kind of a good reason because Slick Deals, it's based on individuals finding deals, reporting them back to the site. And it's basically kind of like a forum, and they post the best, most recent ones there. So it's just something to check out. So pretty good deal here from Troy-Bilt at the 20-inch gas chainsaw.